Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a document available offline. So when you don't have any data nor internet connection, you will still be able to open or have access to the document on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on either the browse or collections buttons down below to search for a document that you would like to make available offline. All you have to do is selecting that document and click on the three dots icon next to it in the right side and tap on this make available offline button indicated with the check mark icon. There's the third option, so click on it, and as you can see it has been updated. It's marked with a green check mark icon, so here you can see that you have the option now to remove it from offline, so that you can only access it when you have internet connection or data, but now it is available when you are offline too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.